everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of science to uncover some facts so mind-bending, they sound like they're straight out of a science fiction movie. But I promise you, everything you're about to hear is 100% real. So, buckle up and prepare to have your mind blown. Let's get started with our 10 science facts that will absolutely shock you. Kicking things off at number 10. Did you know that the human brain operates on the same power as a 20-watt light bulb? That's right. Your brain, with all its thoughts, memories, and complex calculations, generates enough electricity to power a dim light bulb. This energy comes from the constant firing of billions of neurons. So the next time you have a brilliant idea, you can literally say a light bulb went off in your head. It's incredible to think about the efficiency of our own internal supercomputer. Coming in at number 9, let's talk about space. We often think of space as completely silent, a perfect vacuum. But that's not entirely true. While you can't hear sound in space in the traditional sense because there's no air to carry the sound waves, celestial bodies like planets and stars actually emit radio waves. When scientists convert these waves into sound waves, they create an eerie, otherworldly symphony. It's like the universe has its own hidden soundtrack. Black holes, in particular, produce some of the deepest and most profound sounds ever recorded. For our 8th fact, we're going microscopic. You are more bacteria than you are human. For every one human cell in your body, there are roughly 10 bacterial cells living on and inside you. Don't worry, it's a good thing. This bustling community of microbes, known as your microbiome, is essential for digestion, immune function, and even your mood. So, you're not just an individual. You're a walking, talking ecosystem. It's a symbiotic relationship that we couldn't live without. At number 7, let's look up at the sky. The beautiful sunset you enjoy every evening is a bit of an illusion. The Earth's atmosphere bends the sunlight, so when you see the sun dipping below the horizon, it has actually already set. This atmospheric refraction means we get to enjoy a few extra minutes of daylight every single day. It's like a daily encore from our favorite star, all thanks to the physics of light, bending through our planet's gaseous shell. Halfway through, at number 6, is a fact that will make you feel a bit empty. Everything we can see, planets, stars, galaxies, you, me, all of it makes up less than 5% of the entire universe. The rest? About 27% is mysterious dark matter, and a whopping 68% is even more enigmatic dark energy. We can't see or directly detect either of them, but we know they exist because of their gravitational effects on the visible universe. It is a humbling reminder that we've only just begun to scratch the surface of cosmic understanding. Number 5 brings us back down to Earth, or rather, under it. The Earth's core is as hot as the surface of the sun. We're talking temperatures of around 6,000 degrees Celsius, or 10,800 degrees Fahrenheit. This immense heat is generated by the radioactive decay of elements deep within our planet. This super-hot iron core is what generates Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from harmful solar radiation. So, we owe our very existence to the giant fiery furnace churning thousands of miles beneath our feet. Get ready for number 4, a fact about time itself. Because of the way gravity warps spacetime, time actually moves slightly faster for your head than it does for your feet. This is an effect of Einstein's theory of relativity. The closer you are to a massive object, like the Earth, the slower time passes. The difference is infinitesimally small, so you'll never notice it, but it's been measured with highly sensitive atomic clocks. It means that, technically, your head is aging just a fraction of a second faster than your toes. At number 3, let's talk about water. It's everywhere, but it has a property that is truly bizarre. It's called the Mpemba effect, and it's the observation that, under certain conditions, hot water can freeze faster than cold water. Scientists are still debating the exact reasons why this happens, with theories pointing to factors like evaporation, dissolved gases, and convection. But it's a counterintuitive phenomenon that has been observed for centuries, challenging our basic assumptions about thermodynamics. Our runner-up fact, at number 2, is about the sheer vastness of our universe. There are more trees on Earth than there are stars in our Milky Way galaxy. It's estimated that our planet is home to about 3 trillion trees. In contrast, the Milky Way contains an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars. It's a staggering comparison. But then, consider this. There are more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Let that sink in for a moment. The scale of the cosmos is truly beyond human comprehension. And finally, the number 1 science fact that will absolutely shock you. A significant portion of the atoms that make up your body, the calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, were forged in the heart of an exploding star. We are literally made of stardust. When massive stars reach the end of their lives, they explode in a supernova, scattering newly created elements across the galaxy. Over billions of years, these elements came together to form new stars, planets, and eventually life itself. You are a child of the cosmos, a collection of ancient atoms that have traveled across space and time to become you. And that's a wrap on 10 shocking science facts. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments. It's amazing to think about how much we know, and even more amazing to consider how much is still out there waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this journey through the wonders of science, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more mind-expanding content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.